Get your phone and internet sorted out for Thailand. When you are flying into Suvarnabhumi Airport for your Thai holiday, you may wonder how to use your phone the same way you do at home. Easy, just buy a tourist SIM at the airport and stick it in your phone. This will give you access to phone services, internet, and your ability to use local apps, which I will explain later in the video. In Thailand, there are three main mobile phone suppliers: AIS, DTAC and TrueMovie. From AIS, we've three tourist plans costing 900 baht for 30 days, 600 baht for 15 days and 300 baht for 8 days. These all include high-speed internet and free social apps. Pause the video for a good look. Next up, we have TrueMovie's network, which have a ton of plans available, including 30 days for 1200 baht, 15 days for 700 baht, 8 days for 450 baht. These are all for unlimited 5G and internet. By all means, read the small print. Then 15 days for 600 baht, 10 days for 350 baht and 8 days for 300 baht. These are more restricted packages. Lastly, we have DTAC, which provide two tourist options, which are 15 days unlimited internet for 600 baht and 8 days unlimited internet for 300 baht. These can be bought as physical SIMs or as eSIMs. Have a look at their website for details and specs about that. After getting your phone set up, what apps are best for use in Thailand? Let's have a look at a few ideas about that. Two obvious apps for every tourist is Google Maps and Translate. Maps will locate places and direct you to them, and Google Translate will translate spoken and written Thai to your language. Both are must-haves. Many Western apps are available for use in Thailand, including Facebook and Messenger, Instagram and YouTube. For romantic moments in Thailand, there are two local dating apps you might want to look at. They are Thai Friendly and ThaiCupid.com. You can also use Tinder here. It is very important that you ensure your phone will work with SIMs from other countries, so check this before you travel and make sure your phone can work in Thailand. One last tip for this video: be careful when taking money out of ATMs in the airport to buy SIM cards. Most ATM machines charge 220 baht per transaction, plus your local bank fees on top of that. Very expensive. So that's it guys, I hope this video helps you understand phone use in Thailand. I will update this if prices change. I have posted links for all the providers in the video information section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.